Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rutuparna and as you've read from the title, we are going to Mumbai. This is probably the most random trip that I'm going on. So the deal is, I don't know how many of you know, but I work as a tax consultant in a big four, and in my so many years of my service, मुझे पहली बार एक official client meeting के लिए भेजा जा रहा है in Mumbai, and I am super duper excited because I'm extending the trip by a day. And I'll be exploring the best of Mumbai in only a day. I don't know how I'm going to do all of that, but I'm really excited. So currently it's 12 at night और मेरी flight सुबह है at 6:30. So ideally I should sleep, but I'm here starting this vlog. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Otherwise अगर कल सुबह मुझे time नहीं मिला then at the airport. Hey guys, so currently I'm in Ikea. The meeting got over, then we went for lunch, then we went for a few drinks and stuff, and now we're in Ikea. Look at the setup right behind me, it's so pretty. I'm going to explore the store and see what I can take from here for home. When you face the issue of choice, because everything around is so aesthetic. Just look behind me, all these frames are looking so good. I mean this section, that section is so pretty, but I just can't take everything with me. Spoiled for pieces. So many kinds of fake plants for those who can't maintain real ones. So beautiful. Like, just look at these. So pretty. Hey guys, so I'm checking in after a few hours. So I reached my hotel around 6:30. IKEA पे मैंने कुछ shopping करी है, which I'm gonna show you later. And then I got the biggest surprise. They've upgraded my room, and I booked a standard room to a massive suite. And I'm gonna give you a room tour now because this is truly spectacular. Are you ready for the room tour? So I'm flipping the camera in 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is the entryway to the room, and as soon as you enter, this is the lounge or the seating area, and look how massive it is. It has this beautiful couch, and it has another seating area over here. I think this is probably for lunch or dinner, and this massive mirror which is so beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the room now. This is the area where you can have lunch or dinner as you please, or breakfast if you want. And then when you move to the side, you have two couches, two huge couches, and there's a beautiful painting, a side table over there also with two phones. Oh, there's one phone there, there's some remote and stuff, and a beautiful painting. And just check out the lights, they are so aesthetic. But the star of the room has to be this beautiful chandelier. Oh my god, it is so pretty. And then you have a TV right here, and this aesthetic bookshelf with some really old books. I haven't even checked out what books are there. Then as you move, like, can you see how massive this place is? As you move, you have a small tea counter basically, and you have the mini fridge inside. And then you enter this beautiful room, and that's my room. Oh my god, it's huge. It's perfect for 4 people. So I'm going to take you through there. This is a place to keep your luggage and stuff. I shopped some things from Ikea, I'll show you later. And then a huge mirror, perfect for some pictures, which I'm going to take tomorrow morning. I've kept some stuff. This is a work desk basically. And then you have a huge TV, almirah, which is massive as well, and then this beautiful bed. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Two side tables again, Victorian kind of architecture, and then you have this divan style seating over here and another painting. Same beautiful lights everywhere. And then let's go and check out the washroom, which is also massive. And you have two wash basins over here, and perfect for doing your makeup because the lighting is quite nice. I kind of like it. So beautiful. This room is very huge. So guys, I really don't have an idea how did I get this upgrade to a suite. I booked a standard room and I'm staying at the Gordon House Hotel. Yeah, that's the name of the hotel. I'm going to link it down below in the description box and you should definitely check it out. I got a crazy deal at Agoda and this is very near to the gateway of Mumbai, gateway of India, sorry, gateway of India, and it's just walking distance. I'm just gonna go walk to the gateway and it's really beautiful. I would highly recommend this place. If you're coming with family, friends, this is a beautiful stay. Hey guys, so I'm back into my hotel and I went around the nearby areas. The location I'm staying at and the property I'm staying at is so good. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, but I would highly recommend you guys to book this one. It looks really mediocre from outside, but inside it's beautiful with amazing interiors and stuff. So yeah, I just got back from my little exploring and now I'm just too tired and I feel like sleeping. I went out for dinner and stuff, so yeah. But before I go to sleep, I'm gonna give you an IKEA haul, which is right here. First off, I didn't buy that many things from IKEA, but this is a massive bag. Though it costed only 20 rupees, but it's a huge bag and I don't know why they're not making smaller bags, because you know, it's good to have options and stuff. You can have a 10 rupee bag and just make a smaller one as well, but like you're anyways wasting paper, right? So yeah, I'm gonna give you a IKEA haul. I know you don't like, it's a travel vlog and who wants a haul, but I just thought why not. So let's get into it. So the first thing I bought is this wall decoration which says traveler. This is so cute and I resonated with it obviously because I love to travel. It's written a person who travels or who has traveled to places far away from home and who explores distant lands. So me, and I really want to travel more and more each day and every day. The second thing I bought was this vase. It's very cute and it's very aesthetic. I bought it as a gift for one of my friends, so I hope they like it. I'm not going to tell you if it's a guy or a girl. The third thing I bought is this LED tea light, and my mom wanted this and she was looking for this for a long time. I don't think these were the most affordable because 6 costed me 419. I can be wrong, like maybe this is affordable, but yeah, I mean it's cute. Let's see if it's functional or not, but she'll be happy, I know. The fourth thing I bought is a frame, and this is a huge frame and I really like such frames. It just retailed for 209, so I'm gonna put a picture of one of my travels with my family and put it up on a wall. It's really cute. I love the white. And the last thing I bought is a mirror for my vanity. Like I don't have a vanity or anything, but like for my dressing table or whatever I have, and it's really nice. Also, this only retailed for 900 bucks and its printed price is 1573, so I got it for 900. So I was like, it's quite a deal. And I know these mirrors are a little expensive, so I just think that I got a good deal on them. So yeah, this is so pretty and I can't wait to use this mirror from now on. And that's all that I got from IKEA. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm super duper tired. I'm gonna just crash. Let's see what we're gonna do in Mumbai tomorrow. I have a flight to catch also tomorrow, so there's lots to do. So I'll take you guys along with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning. in Mumbai. I don't know why, but I always wanted to say this out loud somewhere, like sometime when I'm in Mumbai. But yeah, good morning, guys. It's day 2 in Mumbai, and today we are up and we are running very, very late. I was thinking of leaving at around 7 or 7:30, but it's already 8 now, and I have to head for breakfast also. But I am gonna go and explore more of Mumbai today. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I have too less time and I have too much to do with luggage, so that's a big hassle also. But now I'm gonna go for breakfast and I'm gonna head to the gateway, get some shots, get some pictures, chill there, and let's see what I'm gonna do next. Hey guys, so I'm currently at the iconic gateway of India, which is right behind me, and it is so beautiful. I don't need to tell you guys the relevance of this gateway, but it's an absolutely beautiful structure. And if you turn around, that's the Taj Hotel right behind me. Hey guys, so currently I'm on Marine Drive and I'm just chilling and not doing anything as such, but I'm really enjoying my time. That behind me is the Trident Hotel and the Oberoi is somewhere there, but this is such a peaceful place to be. So guys, the next spot of our day is the Juhu beach, Juhu Chowpatty, and sad state of affairs, the water is not that clean and the beach is very, very dirty. I'm going to flip the camera and show you now. That's the beach. Is pani ke andar to I'm not going, but yeah, it's so dirty and there's a dustbin right there, but still the state of affairs is really sad, but it's a good point, you know, just chill probably in the evening because it's really, really hot right now. The next spot of the day is the Hanging Gardens, and I've been to Mumbai in the past when I was little, so I have come here, but I'm just chilling and enjoying. So what I've done is I've booked a taxi over here and he's charging me 2,500 and he's gonna take me to different spots and I can spend as much time as possible and then he'll drop me off at the airport. So yeah, that's the garden right behind me. I mean, ye pura hi garden hai, but that's the sea right behind me. And it's exceptionally beautiful. The next spot of our day is Bandra Bandstand. What you see behind me are all the houses of the big actors. So Shahrukh house is right there. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but this place is exceptionally beautiful. Let me show you. Currently, I'm at the Lincoln Road Market. Honestly, the street shopping in Sarojini or Lajpat or GK is much better than here because I didn't like the collection or anything. But it was nice. Guys, I'm finally at the airport and I've reached way early just to avoid the Mumbai traffic. And I'm going to just chill and I don't know how to pass time. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.